Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Doing a very quick video and getting this out up on the channel before I do a more detailed video. This is the Honda 4514 riding tractor that I rebuilt a few years back for a customer, and that video is up here in the link. And there was a lot of questions, a lot of good feedback from that video. And since I have this apart again at the level that it is at, if there's any other specific questions that you'd like to see, probably going to be waiting another week to 2 weeks for the parts that I need to get this running again. And thankfully the parts are still available. The issue that is going on is more issues with the drivetrain, but none of the parts that I put on have failed. It's just more stuff on the transmission actually that needs to be addressed. Typical wear and tear after 30 some odd years or so of it running, it needs to be replaced. So that's what we're going to be doing. But I have it here in the shop and I'll be able to answer any specific questions now that it's here. And I hope to be able to help you guys out, possibly even do a live video in the upcoming weeks, but let me know. And guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel as always, and we'll see you on that next video.